Hi guys, Patrick here. Round 2 of Mum's authentic Sri Lankan cooking. I'm heading there now. Apparently she's cooked up a storm. My sister's gonna meet me there. Let's go check out what she's made. Massive fish cutlet, mushrooms, chicken curry, and beans. Well, I think I'm going to be totally satisfied after this meal. Can't wait to get into it. My sister was supposed to be here. She's not here, so I'm going to start. I'm not going to wait, because if she gets here, she'll eat it all. Massive cutlets.
You won't get a cutlet that day any shop.
No.
Thank God I ate, because my sister just rocked up.
Okay, hold on. I'm trying not to get any of the going.
And there's the sign behind you. Eat.
Lovely.
What's that, chili?
No, a bloody. Is it a clove?
Clove.
Oh, clove.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are fun when you get them in your mouth. Yeah. All right, mushrooms.
That'll do it, my sister. Well, that was Mum's authentic Sri Lankan meal, and those bloody cutlets were massive, huge. I'm so full, I don't think I'll be able to eat anything the rest of the day. Maybe. Till next time, ciao for now. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe for future content. Ciao for now.